Hey folks, and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a helper spring in the back of a 2006 Nissan Titan. It's a pretty simple project. You're just going to need some metric wrenches, some metric sockets, and you're going to need a couple of big C-clamps to help you hold the factory spring pack together. That said, let's head over to the shop. With the wheels off, support the rear axle with some jack stands. Install some substantial C-clamps onto the spring pack so that they stay aligned once everything is apart. Loosen the U-bolt nuts, but you don't need to remove them completely. Remove the factory bump stops and replace them with the bracket that's included in the spring kit. Tighten those U-bolt nuts down to 89 foot-pounds, and then go ahead and remove the C-clamps from the spring pack. Now, it's not necessary to remove the shocks for installing this kit, but considering the mileage of the truck, we decided to go ahead and replace them with a fresh set while everything was apart. Lay the helper spring over the factory spring pack. It seems to go in best if you slide it in from the front. On the front bracket, install the roller bushing into the lower mount. There isn't really a specific torque spec here, but we ran it down to about 80 foot-pounds to make sure it stays snug. Install the rear roller the same way you installed the front one, and tighten its bolt down to 80 foot-pounds as well. Install the included bump stop over the helper spring and align it with the bracket that you installed earlier. Tighten the bolts down to 80 foot-pounds so the helper spring is sandwiched between the bump stop and its bracket. From here, you're ready to go. We got the helper spring installed on our Titan, and we're really happy how easy that project went. You might also notice that the front came up a tad, and that's because we also installed a leveling kit up there, and please feel free to check out that video as well. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit like. If this is the first time coming around to our channel, please hit subscribe. If you have any questions at all about any of our products, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We've been at this a very long time, so if you're dealing with it, we've probably dealt with it too. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.